Hi, we're going to see the syllabus tool in Canvas now. So I'm going to the syllabus link in the course navigation. When you click there, you will see your usual page interface. So you click on Edit, and then you see the rich content editor that you typically see in quizzes, assignments, discussion boards. So what we need to do here, I'll quickly remove this link, we need to type a text, such as the course syllabus file, or you can name your course in the text. Then we highlight the text and click to insert link. If we have the syllabus already in the files for our course, we'll click on course link. If not, we'll need to get it into the files. We'll click document, upload document. So let's do it in two ways. I do have it in this course, so I'm going to insert link, course link. Now I click under links, files, course files. I scroll down until I find my syllabus and update. Now I have a hyperlink showing for the students and a download symbol. So students are able to download the syllabus and they can also open it up here and view it. Let's go through the same process, but pretending we do not have this file in course files. In this case, we type the desired text, then highlight it, go to Insert, Document. Again, if I have it in a course, it could be course document. If I don't, I'm uploading a document. So I just click on Upload and find in my documents, find the syllabus and click Open. Submit. Update syllabus. So two ways leading to the same desired effect. I do have a syllabus right now, and I can check in student view. It's showing me the active link with a syllabus. All right, leaving the student view. Another part of a syllabus tool I would like to show you is this box Show Course Summary. If I have it clicked, and now I update the course, then I have a whole list of assignments that I created for the course generated with a due date for the students. It might be the way you would like to display your assignment. I personally do not like it because it mixes events and scheduled through the calendar function and assignments together. And sometimes I have some assignments that are not dated. And also I sometimes have assignments that I'm not sure I'm going to use, but I have them in the course. So they are going to show up for the students in this view, in this long list. What you can find helpful is that if you have weighted categories, like I do, it shows me, whoops, I have a 50% more than I should have. So I need to rearrange my assignment group values. I was playing around here. That's why I ended up this way. So it's kind of interesting way to make sure that you have it set up correctly. But you do also have an option of unchecking it, updating syllabus, and now your students do not see that view. I hope it's helpful. Bye.